Okay, this is a centurion motor, the SDO. Okay, see how to press to open and close. Okay, press to open. Very easy. And quiet. See, the door is very quiet. And for the in case you want to learn your remote control your receiver, you just need to press the learn button once and press your remote control. And if you want to set the limit, you need to press the L button, the learn button, for like two seconds. Then will bring light to show double L. Then you press your confirm for setting up the limit to go up and down. Then program the remote. Yeah, then you're ready to go. Thanks, bye.